In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to delete thoughts on TikTok. Deleting thoughts after sharing them on TikTok can be a way to maintain emotional balance and protect your digital footprint. To do this, simply head to TikTok. Onto your profile page, to view your shared thought, simply tap into your profile icon. To delete it, you just want to tap onto the shared thought. You will see this option of delete thought. Tap on delete. Your thoughts will successfully get deleted. This also safeguards your privacy, ensuring sensitive or impulsive thoughts don't remain accessible to a wider audience. Well, that's how easy it is to delete thoughts after sharing them on TikTok. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.